Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. Okay, I got a drawer that's rubbing real bad on the top of this deal, top of the cabinet. These cabinets have an adjustment to go lower or higher. These are the set screws. It's already at its lowest point, but you've got the two other adjustment screws, and you can try. That pulls it that way. That moves it out a little bit. I'm going to try that. See if that makes it any better. Not really, and it's not just that. It's actually the drawer itself. So let's see what we can do with the drawer. Pull that one back in. So that definitely was better that way. And let's see. Oh, I see. The drawer is actually coming out of the deal here on that side. So what we need to do is put a spacer on this side. So loosen this screw up right here. We're going to pull that off the wall there, and then we're going to use some material to put some space in between. See what I have. A bunch of pieces of vertical blind that I just trimmed up for some dummy blinds. So that should work good. Just take a piece and fold it over a couple times. It's kind of brittle though. I almost want something a little. Let's see what else I have here. Don't have anything real good. Okay, I got just another screw. Should work good. Just put it down behind it. Right behind it right there. Good. And now let's try it. Drop it down again. Okay. Oh, might be a little too much. Oh, there we go. Oh, beautiful. Now it's in. No more hitting. And this hinge can come over a little bit. That'll make that work better. Theory. This one should go a little closer to the wall. About as good as that one will go. I'll bring the bottom one out, so that'll bring the top one in a little bit. And that's better. Alright. Done deal. Yeah. Okay, and on this one, the drawer still sat a little deeper than the cabinet edge. One easy way to work this out is to use the little cabinet bumpers. It's a little sticky bumper, keeps the door from slamming and also keep the drawer from slamming. So just putting one on each side on the inner cabinet frame so that the drawer would sit against that would make up that little bit of a 1/4 of an inch difference and make this sit and finish a little bit better. I'll try to leave a link in the description below where you can get those cabinet bumpers. Nice easy fix. And also good for keeping any other doors and drawers from slamming. has a nice effect. Move that one out so it sits a little better. All right. Links to the parts are in the description below.
Despite all my pain, you are here with me, I call on your name. In the midst of the praise, given in joy, your peace surrounds me as love overflows. Glory to Jesus, Savior of my soul. In the midst of the battle, the struggle, the war, as I look up to you, the victory is sure. Your promises stand despite fury and flame. The gates of hell will not prevail. To the night when I cannot see, your light burns bright deep within me. Your words, your instructions, they set me free. The gift of your presence, eternal. Glory in Jesus.